what I mean. You know how there are some lip products that as soon as you put it on, you can tell that if you don't add something else under it, you're going to have chapped lips. High-end versus affordable? Apparently, SheGlam duped the YSL gloss sticks. I want to try these too so we can see whether or not they feel the same, if they act the same, do they even look the same. I want to know the tea on the SheGlam Mirror Kiss High Shine lipstick and the YSL gloss sticks. But before we jump into it, make sure your lips are hydrated, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey hey, oh my, let's jump into a few details. The YSL Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick retail for $42 on Sephora. Oh my god. But you can find them for $32 at Nordstrom. I will put both links somewhere in this video or down below. Definitely check those out. There are 12 shades of this very highly sought after gloss sticks. It says that it's high shine, hydrating, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. The shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. A luxurious lip gloss stick with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid for medium coverage and long-lasting shine. Okay, we have 4 shades that I can swatch for you, but we also have the SheGlam High Shine lipstick over here. The SheGlam High Shine lipsticks also come in 12 shades. Let me find the description on this. Okay, it says that the finish is matte on the SheGlam. SheGlam, come on. Something cannot be high shine and matte at the same time. You have to pick one. Is this a high shine product or is it a matte product? Because on here it says the finish is matte, plot twisting glossy mutant. Oh my god, SheGlam. It says, are you looking for a product with the same high shine finish as your favorite SheGlam gloss with the moisturizing power of lip balm plus the buildable color payoff of lip tint? The search is over. Their SheGlam Mirror Kiss High Shine lipstick features silky jelly texture that applies seamlessly on your lips, a super lustrous shine, and luxe buildable color in the SheGlam lipstick shades you know and love. So yes, it is a gloss finish, and the description is almost similar to the YSL one. Because I only have 4 shades of the YSL, I figured I'm gonna find the corresponding shades to the SheGlam one if there is one, or the shades that are as close to the SheGlam one as possible, and then I will swatch it, because I don't want to swatch 12 of those, 4 of these, because then it's not a fair swatch, right? Oh, Lord, this hurt me. These are the YSL gloss stick. It comes in a classic YSL lipstick packaging. Oh, I thought these were the ones with the like a spot in the middle, but it's not. It looks like a solid color lipstick, if you can see what I mean. And of course you can twist it out and twist it back in. Very recently, most of the lip gloss sticks I've been trying don't necessarily twist back in when you push it out, so I try to be very cautious so I don't overexpose the product to the point where I can't push it back in. I took the lid off, but this is the SheGlam packaging, and as you can see, it is also a solid stick for the gloss. It's not like, it doesn't have a gloss stick inside a lipstick. This is a solid lipstick. Let me quickly find the matching corresponding glosses, and then I'll come back so we can start a quick swatch, a quick feel test. Okay, okay, so I went through all 12 of the SheGlam shades, and it turns out the shades are not the same. I could barely find one shade from SheGlam that matched the 4 that I have. Because I have all 12 of the SheGlam shades, I feel like if there was similar shades, I would at least be able to match the 4 that I have from YSL. So I just randomly picked 4 shades from SheGlam that we can use. I want to know what it feels like on the lips, and also just see if well and truly these two are dupe for each other. Okay, let's start with the YSL. This is the number 13 in the YSL lipstick gloss stick. Okay, I love what it looks like. It smells like a fruit. I'm not upset about it. It's not very pungent. It looks very natural. I think number 13 is my natural lip shade, because I can wear this by itself. Very concentrated in the middle and lightly blended out on the rest of my lips. And I think it would look really, really good. I love what this looks like on the lips. It is not sticky or tacky. The fruit smell is very light, but when it hits your nose, you know that it's there. It is very nice. It does feel very much like a balm with like a slight shine to it, as you can see. It's melting into my skin and it doesn't feel like it's just gonna sit on top of my dry layers and actually make my lips more dry underneath. So I like it. I'm also very happy that I feel like this is gonna be a clear one that I can put in my bag and use on my no makeup face. I love what this feels like on. They described it as a balm that can give you a bit of a shine, and I'm definitely getting that from this. Let's try SheGlam's Bold Type. Okay, the SheGlam does not feel as balmy. It feels lighter. It doesn't have a scent to it at all. Definitely gorgeous color payoff. SheGlam does not feel as thick and nourishing like the YSL one. I like the feel, the velvety feel of the YSL. It doesn't look as shiny as the YSL one either. I can tell a difference between the two. Let's wipe this off and try another YSL one. I'm trying the shade number 15. This is what shade number 15 looks like. Okay. The YSL definitely feels, it's definitely thicker. In this case, there is a very clear difference between the two. YSL thicker, more balmy. As you can see, it's also more reflective compared to the one I just recently swatched, the SheGlam one. And it immediately just covers up my chapped lips. I feel more confident with the YSL one. Plot twist is like a peachy, orangey shade. I like it. It goes very nicely with my eyeshadow look right now. I like this. It looks really nice. The shade looks very nice and it does have some kind of sheen to it. But once again, it doesn't have, like, as soon as I put it on, I can feel my lips starting to get chapped under here. Okay, so it's not as thick, definitely not. No scent, beautiful color payoff, absolutely gorgeous colors that I've swatched so far. Love the color, but the feel and the shine are just not there. Like it's nowhere near a dupe for the YSL High Shine. YSL shade number 14. It's that beautiful chocolate brown shade. I'm so happy. Like, even the way it goes on. Listen, okay, listen. I am all for buying dupes and such, okay? But when it comes to the lips, the product that's not gonna make me feel like I'm very thirsty and I'm dying of dehydration is gonna be the product that I go for. And in this situation, every time I put the YSL one on, I don't feel like my lips are getting chapped under it. But as soon as I put one on and I wait like a minute, I can start feeling the grittiness of my chapped lips under it. This is the shade 15. 15 is a brown looking shade. Okay, this is the shade number 15. Absolutely love what it looks like. I've been talking for a while and my lips don't feel chapped under here at all. Like, at all. I picked colors that were almost similar to the shades that I'm swatching, but not quite, because there really are no shades that are exactly the same or even similar in both shades. Okay, this is SheGlam. This one seems to have a little bit more shine to it compared to the other ones that I've swatched so far. I like the color on this. It looks very gorgeous. I cannot say that I haven't liked any of the shades from SheGlam that I've swatched. Like, that I can't say. The shades are beautiful. They're very pigmented. They're there. Gorgeous. I love the color payoff on them. The thing that I cannot wrap my head around is the feel of it. It's very thin. It feels nice, lightweight. It's very lightweight on the lips, but if you use this by itself, your lips will get chapped under it. As soon as I swatch the YSL ones, it just calms all the chappedness going on. Let me know if you know what I mean. You know how there are some lip products that as soon as you put it on, you can tell that if you don't add something else under it, you're going to have chapped lips. That is the feel I'm getting from the SheGlam ones. Okay, we're swatching YSL number 2. I was hoping this was like a clear, it has like a slight milky look to it. Oh. I hate to be that person. I really hate to be that person that's like, the high-end one is better, you know? Like, I don't want that to be me because the dupe is like, has everybody in a chokehold. There is a huge difference between these two products. Like, it's insane. I don't know who thought that these were dupes for each other, because they're not. Like, absolutely not. But whoever said the SheGlam High Shine Gloss is a dupe for the YSL Gloss Sticks lied to you. It's not. If you're heavy on the lip oils because you don't care how chapped your lips get under the lip oils, definitely go for the SheGlam one. If you want hydrated feeling lips, go for the YSL one. That is it for me trying the SheGlam High Shine lipstick versus the YSL gloss. And if you want to see more lip swatch videos, check out these two videos right here.